What's up guys, I'm back like I never left. In this video we're going to be talking about HYLIION stock, Greenpower Motors, and Workhorse stock. We're going to go over in detail why these stocks are up significantly to the upside. I'm also going to go over a quick stock market recap on what are the important economic reports and stocks are reporting earnings for tomorrow, guys. So make sure you stay to the end of the video. I'm going to cover all this important information coming up. Alright guys, so before we get into the video, make sure you smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop it in the comment section below, guys. So as you can see over here, we got Greenpower Motor Company. It's up 84.66%. So that is a lot. As you can see over here, when it was $2, now it's sitting at, when it closed, at $3, and after hours it's up 0.46. I made a video about it on Friday. You guys can go check it out. It's all about, they're going to be enlisted in the Nasdaq, and that news came out, and this stock has been spiking up since then, and it's really having a really solid potential for it until they start enlisting in Nasdaq. Even after they enlist, the stock can definitely have potential to go to the upside. Now let's talk about HYLIION stock, guys. So as you can see over here, it is up 33.73%, and it's close to above $40 area. And the main news that came out today, after its first successful specialty purpose acquisition company, Taurus Acquisitions is launching a second SPAC. Taurus Acquisitions will offer 250 million shares at a price of $10 per share, according to a Monday SEC filings. Each share will be for one share of the company, along with 1/4 of a warrant to purchase a share at an $11.50 price point. Warrants will be redeemable 30 days after the completion of the business combination. So that is basically the same thing that HYLIION did. And as you can see, the first offering from the company sold 23.3 million shares at $10 each. Taurus Acquisitions 2 will search for business in the broad energy transition or sustainable area, targeting industries that require innovative solutions to decarbonize. That is similar to the SHL offering. The prospects contain statistics based on zero emission standards and the Paris Agreement. So their main goal is to do another reverse merger with another company, just like HYLIION stock, to specifically help the environment. That is fantastic. And the stock eventually, of course, as you can see, is reacted significantly to the upside, and it broke out of the $30, $35 area. We were looking at it as a resistance point, and it went up to $40. So also, guys, just to quickly go over the platform that I'm using right now, I'm using the Webull. As you can see, I have a Workhorse and HYLIION stock over here, and this platform definitely helps you to stay up to date with the news. And if you want to do more research, if you want to see the options chain activity, you can definitely use this platform. So there's going to be a link in the description box below. If you want to sign up for this specific platform or the Webull browser, you get 2 free stocks when you deposit $100. So if you want to do also more research about the financials for Taurus Acquisitions, you can come and check out the income statement, the balance sheet, cash flow. You don't even have to go to a lot of different places to see it. And you can see the analysis over here. You got the short interest if anybody's betting it. Not currently, not everybody's like shorting this company. You can see the institutional holdings and if they're increased or owned. As you can see, percent owned is 21.12, institution 21, and the order flow. You can also see what activity has been going on. Is there a lot of order flow coming in, inflow, outflow? If you want to see more detail, if the activity increased within the last 5 days, and the ETF weight, if any ETFs hold this specific acquisitions company. So you can also look at the press releases, which is super important when they file a filing with the SEC, that the stock can definitely react positively and negatively depending on what they say. So you can definitely see the 10Q, 8Q, 4K, and all these information is going to be available for you. You don't even have to go to Nasdaq website to go and check out their information. You can also see the financials this company filed for within the SEC for the SEC, so you can get to see the 10Q, 10K, 10Q. They're up to date, so you can see the August 6th, and you can also see the insider filings that they have over there. Corporate actions, splits, insider activity. You can come check it out. There is nothing over here. They don't have dividends, anything like that. Now let's look at the options. Since we were talking about HYLIION stock, I made multiple videos. Like 4 weeks ago, I made a video, and a few days ago, also last week, I made a video about HYLIION options. As you can see, the price points are significantly, the price values of these options has gone up a lot. I was talking about the $30, the $25, the $35 option prices. When we were talking about them, they're going for like $2.40. $3.60. As you can see, they are currently selling the $30 for $12. So basically that is $1,200 if you multiply by 100, and the $35 for the $35 strike price option is going for $9.50. That basically means $950. So if you actually bought the $30 strike price for $3.60, you are up a lot. So as you can see today, these option contracts are up 155%. So that is the beauty of options. If you want to leverage it, I made a detailed video about this specific, what you need to do, what you need to pay attention to. You guys can go check it out. Of course, the expiration date that we're going to be looking at is going to be 18 September 20. As you can see all this information on this platform. So guys, check out if you want to sign up for Webull. You can get 2 free stocks. You deposit $100, you can get your 2 free. There's going to be a link in the description box below. You guys can go and check it out. Also, the expiration dates, you can have the different expiration dates. You got the October 16, 15, so you can do more research on it. But the stock made a significant move. And also, when you look at the chart over here, we're using candlesticks. So if you're somebody that really do not understand how this candlestick works, you can also change the chart style to line chart. This is exactly what a lot of people use on Robinhood. So you can see the line chart. They also have different time frames. You can look at the 1 minute, 2 minute, 3, 4, 10, 15 minutes, 30 minutes chart. But I usually like to use the candlesticks because that can show you a lot of detail what happened to the stock. It's been trending to the downside. It went to $19, $20, consolidated a lot. We made a lot of videos about it to see if this stock is actually worth getting involved in it. And as you can see, of course, it really showed us that it is worth it to get involved in it. So expect up to $40 today. You broke out. So you can also look at the 1 hour charts. As you can see over here, it will show you the 1 hour scale chart for the past few days, for past few weeks. You can also, move the chart over here to see the detail. And it's really a cool platform to use it. This is the desktop. So you can also download, this website. There's they have a software you can download too, but this is just on the browser feature. So that is really fantastic, guys. So check out that link below. And now let's talk about Workhorse stock too. So Workhorse stock is also up today 2.72% to the upside, which is 44 cents. But after hours is down minus 12 cents, which is 0.73%. So the main news that came out that I was doing research on Workhorse stock is that there is potential for this company also to be bought up by maybe either Walmart or Amazon. So I mentioned a few days ago I mentioned this company that could potentially be bought by Amazon because they have the drone technology that they have, and Amazon is expanding and they're trying out delivery with drones. And Workhorse is also, an electric vehicle company that has drones available, so that can have a potential. But of course, we have other competitors like Walmart that could potentially see the value and they can potentially buy. Could Walmart acquire Workhorse and UPS compete against Amazon? So that is a speculative thing that people are saying right now, because Walmart really likes to take hold and compete with Amazon, because Amazon is becoming a monopoly in this space. So Walmart can definitely take a huge step if they can potentially, buy a Workhorse stock or buy a Workhorse company or UPS to see if they can compete with Amazon. So as you can see, the article says that buying Workhorse and UPS may change the current situation in favor of Walmart, as both companies focus on an optimized delivery system that can openly compete with Amazon Prime. Walmart may shortly spend hedge funds to harmonize them in one synergy. So they're speculating. This is just a speculation. So, but if another huge company buys, if other major companies see potential in Workhorse stock, they can definitely come up and scoop them and buy them out. So that is one of the important things that we need to also not just focus on the USPS contract, but Workhorse definitely has potential to get bought by huge companies. So you can also see the platform. You can commonly see the Webull platform to see the financials, their income, their reported earnings. You can see exactly their earnings per share for the past few, the past earnings report, the Q2, they have minus 1.72. You can see their income statement, press release options. So this is a really great platform, guys. If you want to do some quick research, understand this. So make sure you check out the link in the description bar below to start getting involved with trading using the Webull platform. So now let's move on to what happened to the stock market today. As you can see over here, the financial sector has been booming to the upside today. For the last week, they were the ones that were dragging to the downside, but today it definitely helped and participated to make the stock market go to all-time highs, and we're up more than 340 points to the upside. So that is really fantastic. So we have Apple also, it's above $500, it's $503. Okay, Tesla was down slightly, down $35. We got Facebook, Home Depot, they reported earnings last week, retailers. We also have Best Buy that's going to be reporting earnings before market open tomorrow. We also had these other sectors, that the aerospace sector, we got the energy sector, which also helped out. The one that were lagging was just the healthcare sector, was the only, and the medical devices. These are those sectors that kind of dragged down the market just a little bit, but of course they didn't participate. But the stock market was definitely higher today because of the financials, the major Nasdaq being up as always, and the other companies also helping the stock market to go to the upside today. So that is really fantastic. But now let's look at what are the important economic reports that we need to pay attention to for tomorrow, Tuesday, August 25th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We got the National Home Price Index year over year for the period of June. The previous was 4.5%. Also at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we got the Consumer Confidence Index for the period of August. The previous was 92.6 and the median forecast is 93. Also at 10 a.m. we got the new home sales SAAR for the period of July. The previous was 176,000 and the median forecast is 790,000. Also at 11:30 a.m. we got the Fed President Tom speaks. So these are the economic reports that we need to pay attention to for tomorrow. They can affect the stock market either to the upside to the downside. So make sure you pay attention to the reports. They're all going to be coming out, and the time that I mentioned is going to be in Eastern Standard Time. So guys, if you have any questions or comments, make sure you drop in the comment section below, guys. And also don't forget to smash the like button. And make sure you have a solid plan before you open any positions. And if you want to support the channel, you can join the Discord chat, support the channel on Patreon, and you can sign up for Webull. And also, I will catch you guys on another video tomorrow. So have a wonderful day.